So this is the anti-roll bar bush that goes in the Excel lower arm, and that's the same as the post 1985 Series 3 and Turbo Esprits. These seem to cause a certain amount of difficulty fitting. They have done to me. I had a set of the rubber style bush just split in half. The general advice is to have a conical sleeve to crush them down to fit through the centre web. In my case, as soon as the lip popped through, that tore the bush in half. No pressure was showing on the gauge, but it just ripped the bush. So these are the poly style bushes, which actually seem to be softer than the rubber originals, and I've come up with a different method of fitting based on talking to Lotus bits. They essentially just use a press, and they do use a pusher to spread the load. I mean, probably just a flat end to the ram, washing up liquid, and they said they used a lot of pressure, but then didn't have any problems fitting them. So what I've come up with is, this is a piece of Delrin, just a settled copolymer. That's a 45 degree chamfer, so 90 degree included angle, which matches the chamfer on the bush. And this sleeve is a slip fit inside the arm. So let me just get this all lubricated up and ready to press. So I'm using tyre fitter soap, the proper stuff, not some of the rubbish that gets sold as tyre fitting lube online. And you need to note that these bushes have got a thin side and a thick side, and need to be fitted the right way round. On the Excel, the arms are exchangeable, so as long as you do the two sides different, you can fit them appropriately to the car. On the Esprit, you need to check which way round the bush should be fitted. So this might be a little bit of a juggling act. I might have to take a break because I'm only hand holding the camera. So I've got a block sitting on top of the tube. I can actually see down inside and see the bush. So I'll start pressing. And I reckon I'm halfway done. I've barely got any pressure showing. And we're done. There we go. One bush in place, easy as that. I'm pretty sure that you could do it with a length of studding and some nuts. You want to use a fairly small diameter studding so that the it can pass through the hole as it gets crushed down.